Hi, GC News. Bema Bawumia Akwaba. Had the latest and hot news in Kwanamide. Bremo, and so we can subscribe. Bomodia say, over subscribe to the channel. The other say, over click the subscribe button. Now, what barely notification. Where is our new video be uploaded? Also, once I can be. I feel we are now like video give us a thumbs up now. Share my offer for so now when you be here now and somewhere so will go on the Afriyie share somewhere abeto ye ponso. Hopeson Adorye on the Cecilia or ye Agyapadie book we could say that den. Now I'm say kitty can tell and simply a picture for one go and such a say can tell a bit in a ten. Nanona Hopeson Adorye also come listening anymore to say. Or Kevitela to be man or just a video your money to folk or bra and one or the man or and yet a year Hopeson Adorye and send the beer to be their money a year Kevitela. Now Kevin so as I can video now or him or no so the Yaba South to your money a year Hopeson Adorye. Now any time a year Hopeson Adorye a year needs more the two a bra or to be money a year Kevin Taylor. You could see a year as some year Hopeson Adorye at the Etuga. Yinti ye ne nsɛm
The vagabond Kevin Taylor. Wa o mami wonyin se wo de kwahye Lebanese. Na wo ye Lebanese hu se o yetum se bidie. O dwane ja o mami ho. Ne ekoto to apete ba e wo boase. Wo be di matem. Kevin Taylor, go and ask your mother Teresa. Sana woni lolye ewo sek emo ashawana. Kone koko bizano. You are coming to insult me. Sabe me hu krokro. Na wo ben mi a wo mfiri me hu. Say wo ben mi a wo mfiri me hu because perfume a me do go me hu no. Wo nyeska nto bi mfangu hu. Unyaska enfantosa perfume ni bi enfangu. Bema wa yese apotro. Eba be di me Hopeson Adorye. Uye jimi fo. Kevin Taylor. Wa mutuo ma ye hyehyehye se emeso a ye de ejatum. A branch yet se wo deodorant kura wontimi ntobi mfangu wa mutuo. Akwa bi be hia wo Calabash ye kanise restaurant hall Virginia honum. Wo hu kan wa motu mutu te se meso a yedi mako agum bofa no hunu montimi home wo gina wono se den ask anyone obi bia wa hia meda bisa no se me wo hia me a me te sen wa bodam me say perfume egu me hu wo nyeskan tobi eba be ka se me look, every year, me change makonyaun. Every year. Me change every year. O partner wo dem honum. De twa wo dem ni anhwade. O fu iti se wo. O sorry a wo ti basement. E ka se didi nkrofo atem. O papa na wadane ye ka ne sen. Kodu eda honum no. Wo nwene no ho ho. Wo nwene no ho. Ah. O yire brodi a why rejected o. Na broni bi ampe no. Saba na no wo wi cocaine, wonim se wo mache no akoda prison da. Na wa ne pe no. No akogweja se waja edien. E ba be ka bi masem. Kevin Taylor. Wo, asha woni ba ti se wo. Woni mo hu. Wo visa ngwa no ano ya wo hu. Wo di abrade a me de be ye wo no. Wa bodam. So ati Bema wujina ho asa apotro, asa Chinese for apotro ibia wo mo ahyehye. Eba be kan kwesi asem, e de akere be me hope say. Pesika na deodorant na fagu wa mutu. To deodorant na fagu wa mutu. Wo ye jimi fo. Me foolishness no. E te se wo papa ne wisdom a wa kwai ni nyina. Me foolishness, e te se wo papa no ne wisdom. Cause like you, obi say power and say o betima sigana haze. O fui. What dey me the way ma watu fo na besa ba oso. Oh, you can't know Papa Boma, mo to me. What about that one? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Papa ya edo koko mani. Ya obi na nye mo mami o anu ode no kwahye no. Se wudi mo ame ka kire o. Lebanese na wo han da ma wo mami e wo laboni. Wo awuye tuntum na afi wo mami koko to apeteshiba no mu ho no mo no. You think we don't know? You think we don't know? What bodam papa? Me da ben adam me matna ha se me de Kevin Taylor bagana. Wo ye Jimmy for ye true for so. Wo ye Jimmy for esan ye true for. Obi be kumi e fa ho ben. So obi be kumi a e fa wo Kevin Taylor ho ben. A shawo neighbor, a vagabond like you can come and then insult me. What bodam wo? Uti boom, uti a boom. So what? Ene, eye ukwada. 7th August. Bisa ubia wushia me wonkran hase. Se wushia be net say. Obi timi sheda jina me nchaya ni me di nkomo. One person will be free me ho because of perfume go me ho. O free like you. Deodorant ground Jimmy to be fangu amutu. Omba be jan on ma be di nkrofo atem. Wa bodam papa. Wo de kama sembium. Na obo ho ade am de be yo.
You waiting for waiting and some Hopeson Adorye edituja or to be money KT Kevin now I know not Kevin so as a babo team I bet to be Eddie Amani Hopeson Adorye one some more wakaye now I am called KT or Yakuti or no so now ya what them Hopeson Adorye ETA Kevin Saba what the etuja
the last time we got see I saw on social media Facebook na Hopeson Adorye. Now, Hopeson Adorye, I'm a young man. Na me too for. Say MPP for be kun. We a penny only nyansa. That is when I want to hear it. Paso egwene say eh. Abranti asmo king. Ebe to me see. Because party ma join da. Party na me team de kun JB dankwa. Me team de kun asimesi. Adams Mahama said de mete ha. Inti enda asimesi akra we kra ka chem say enkofo ni nya omo be kume. If you say nsema amekeka no ekotia omo. And I want to set the record straight. Me friend Teresa o. Ba me mboni din kiremo. Me friend Teresa. Na a young man to Sammy. Na wo Hopeson Adorye age awedri. Wo age awedri. O ho kro. Wa motio mu nyina lines bibia awedri. Na me abrantie to Sammy catch us Hopeson Adorye. O party for yo mu bekun. Dey na wo so ye. That is the time you sit down and analyze and say, okay, what are the measures I have to take? Me wayere, me woma. What do I have to do? Na peyin toto te sewa betinati we say, hwe, me dey every year bia me change akonwa. So for life akonwa we. Akonwa utinema untumi nko wechi. Na every year bia o change akonwa, ono wayere mo tena toilet man sa ma tena akonwa mana. We Jimmy. You people are just foolish with gray hair. I'm telling you. Mema kas ma kire na wo be fa mu efutuo no abegina say ai na ma me sei na ma me sei na me hwe me dem hwe makonwa na wonim say yie bia me chenya na ono yire mu tike via bizo ana de bia motu bini na mo de betena akonwa ntina yie bia o chenya akonwa so for life akonwa utirima dade wo wotui ade na mu bi mu agimi sa abrochire bola na wote so akonwa otisi ai say cinema bibia ya magazine hia yi otwa wachi etwere dan ede penyi toto te se watam camera se hwa akonwa ye bia me chenya na ye bia mu chenya akonwa toilet so na moda mo tsi toilet so na moda akonwa nim ade na mo de etumfo amonte ade na mo mu bi mu agimi sa ade na mo mam ho kwan ma ye ne young people no ye direct mo omo bekun. I know your people, they will kill you. Yes, Subas as we so. Nipa or blessing the first day jantre ni position a jantra for heaven no. Who hopes na there we didn't know do it no nibi. Position a jantra for heaven no. Hopes na doye we didn't know do it no onibi. It is not about now mami Argentine and our papa Lebanese no better than black. It's none of nothing. I'm telling you, ombeku also wakonya. Mo Jimmy o. Inkofo ni beku also wakonya. Onyonko na isi ane so te do Paul bewu. Ya body dua back and front. Ye tumufu amonte ade bechi popopopopo. Unim nyansa. The day I watched you, I was like, my ferry ama papa. Papa penyini te se wo. Akora te se mi tufu a odu Jimmy se hweme dem. So for akonya. Ye bia mi chenji akonya. Na den moti binim. Mo hobon. Ade bia ye bia chenji akonya. We Jimmy, dwini asam na me ka kire wo no ho. Protect your family. Be smart. This is not a time for you to be sweating on social media and exhibiting your highest form of foolishness. Maintain and start thinking as an old man. What do you mean to do? These are the things I talk about every day. Ended 2024. Paying toto to say we yakunya, phone session makunya. Where you phone the catch and go over the shamida makunya. Ye be a michin yakunya. Messimu na ana moti toilet is one. They be a model toilet better na kunyenim. A kid like you, yenem kwara kwara no, to pick a phone and show people our living room. I have 2 living rooms. Intina ma sorry kofa phone. Mo nhwe me ndem nkonya. We Jimmy. I disappointed in you pa, we Jimmy. Na osi I spray I gumi ho. Na Kevin Taylor unim spray am di gumi ho a. Minam kurom a obi a wo hie mi bia hu spray. Na se wan kansa na wonam kurom no ho bon sakramai. Why unim aponchi kwesata? Aponchi kwesata. Ho bon sa aponchi kwesata. Enti na odwen se spray gu hu nti obi a hwe. Spray. Na unim spray am di gumi ho. Akwaye Jimmy. Rati Nyankopon. Odwen wa ho jase o. Paul no obewu no. Paul adomochire obewu. Ontumi nna. Wenya ya rebia ese ohun 13th ba October. Osu ye betufu a osu Jimmy. Say I endem ko krum omo hia mi nyina betu. Hwe na omo hwa no eya wo ho kro na wo ho kankan na omo hwa enya tulenob se die bi egu hu o. Jimmy no wa Jimmy 2024 so ye dan we san kwasi ade we. 2024 ye ka perfume wasem. Satem 2002 ye was school near make say oh show me ye twam ate 2024 papa paint so when trouble Jimmy abegina hwame dem unim spray am de gumi ho spray akonya utim so nkron ati o gaze afi bia mesesa akonya na tunale na watu ogu hu na onam kurom Jimmy tunale na wo betu to spray na spray and there bema is perfume your priority. Bema. Oh, problem, Bema. I sometimes actors say, Krama when you're rabies. I said, Utumita no can say be say, was say, I didn't. Actors say Krama when you're rabies. Stop it. I don't have time. At this point, I want to make President Mahama president and change the destiny of Ghanaians. I don't have time for kids again. I'm serious about this. I don't have time for kids like you. I really want to concentrate, talk to Ghanaians, make people understand. They say, I don't have time for men, 2024, grown ass shrinking, shrunk asses to talk about perfume and demon kunya. This is a 1992 stuff. Now, young queen, akunya, perfume. Masasa kunya, ye bia mesasa kunya. Oh, Akufo-Addo pimp to sell. Ye bia mesasa kunya. Ye bia osasa kunya. Na se ono yire muti binim. Moto kan. Moto kan. Dan na kunya papa ye bia sesa no. Mohonka. The smell on you people, the odor. You cannot maintain a sofa for a year. The smell, the odor on you. The sweat, the stinking sweat that passes through your butt line, that passes through your butt crack, the sweat on your balls, the disgusting piece of sweat. Disgusting. filthy, smelly sweat. Unfair 2024. Are you okay? Oka perfume. Hopeson Adorye. We annual sofa changing ceremony every year. Be na mo make tutu na yamfa bi mese. E mo na mutifio na mo ye annual sofa changing ceremony. We will dying. Listen to the advice. I love you. That's why I'm telling you this. Me pewasem. I don't want anything bad to happen to you. Said it to JB Dampare. I don't want it because they're going to kill you. Koto de ne bodwe. We de odebeji samba o ka kire se wo na discuss it with president at cabinet and a sika neighbor. Na yebusa e-levy, yebusa bola tax, yebusa COVID-19 disinfectant fees, yebusa de ene de na Bawumia nka ho. Mo jinsi ye jimi on. Mo jinsi ye nyina ye nkwasiafo se chema wuntumi ni abronye. Mo jinsi ye level of thinking no, it is low. Bujin say yeni nyina Ghana for no ye moa to say nipa no mu bia they don't use their brains. And you see, sometimes we use these words not because you're tiny, but because of the disrespect these people respect the disrespect they show our people back home. Yeni yetu kwa nka kreo. Yetu kwa ba abroche amenya moa o. Yetu kwa ba abroche se ebusua de. Ye ba be hu de ama broni kroma ya akono a ye pese ye betena ho. Yetu kwa ba say ye be tua abrabo bia ye betumi de aboa ye nuanom mo fie ni Ghana. Enti ye betena ha ne hu say abroche America untumi meye galamsey o me fie me dan echi. Untumi mba abroche America nkasa wo ye chema untumi de excavator besi bebi amete etu amena. Adenti na wo say ebisi wo Ghana. And they say, Ebisia, why are we not speaking against it? Why are we not telling the people in charge to leave? For people who will not let that happen, come in. And no adding. Intimate na se me hwe na se nkofo we ehu me nkofo mo fie so mo jimia. I will not keep those things in me. I'm not going to come sit here wear a suit and make you feel say because you bro for time intimi nyansa chen. I'm going to speak to you in the language you understand. I am going to let you understand say when na airco mienu at a point you decided say you retire ko Ghana inso be na econom wa wote Germany di matem kwasia ukuro mu bekwai wa wote eye Italy di matem ukuro mu asenkregwa wa wote London ukuro mu eye de santase se wo ko Ghana fie sisi ahe na edi enso na akonom o wo fasene ene wo sewa no maame mu efu mu ye inso be na mu digu nkontomere nso adena mu agimi na mama sa pathway say nipa mojin se mu ni munyansa mojin se mo yama na ye obi ya mojin se ai mahama amba power kwasia ne se mahama nti na Ghana wo ho kwasia se MPP nti na Ghana wo ho ye penyansa fo di Ghana ni ma chekere Ghana nti se mahama ni munyansa people like at we will speak mo amotiti abrochire dodo na mo defend MPP kwasia de we no majority of you mo na mo krom MPP say no. I can take my time and go on social media and then pick all those asantefo, akamfo, omugu social media. Let me tell you this. You can say I am tribal. I don't fucking care. And one more fucking problem because you people are already tribal. So about social media. So who so be at social media a defend the MPP or your santini. Hardly do you see Kouni, Enzimani. Hardly do you see Bononi. Hardly do you see Infantini. Hardly do you see Tenny. Hardly do you see Awunini. Hardly do you see Dagombani, Sisalani. Hardly do you see any other tribe defend the MPP. Sankwasi Abanwe. 90% of women social media. Also saw MPP so Facebook, YouTube. Eke kan kwasi some support to galamsey. Any Akufo-Addo chrono. Eya santifo. Ask yourself why. And they are all of them on social media. In Taylor and Hopeson a deliberate. They feel say Ghana na anya omo party dia or say Ghana na shit. That is the thing. Go on social media, take your time and analyze what is happening. Hardly so be hunzimani ba et TV so Facebook ka say NPP ade omo ye hardly. So be bununi ba hardly say obehu dagomba ni obehu infantini obehu Ceremony teni mampusini hardly so be one when ni say otewa or defending kwasi asemwe. Omunya Ghana fo but a particular tribe, men and women, their idea ni nyina say ya asantefo nko ade nkwase asem ekoso ose yagigi so inti omo strategy nyina ne se wo kasa ebie Ghana fo ani a wo yo target inti omo sorry a yanko Kevin Taylor so yanko Nkonto so yanko Free Mind so yanko article the idea ne say it is them against us moa who is against you Ghana nso dodo ase nya santebe mu de na say. So when I'm speaking against galamsey, am I not speaking to save Ukrum? When I sit here and I speak about galamsey a ese Ghana, galamsey a ese nsuo, Ghana, baby mienu na galamsey ashata a yentuinsiano, Eastern region, any Ashanti region. Between Eastern and Ashanti region nsuo nyina say. Intimatena ha na meka se, yeme yenjai galamsey no, chema wuntuminja, metan Ashanti anasa medo Ashanti. Wote Bronx, wote Germany, oma meti bekwai. Insuo na ya se no, eno na odi yen kontomre, eno na odi gu de nedua no so. I am sitting here and telling you, say, speak for that to stop. Odo kwasi ati wasa betain NPP. And this is what is happening on social media. Go on TikTok. A typical Asantefo Subain. And all that they do is to help NPP destroy this nation. Na na kwasi afo mujin sa mumu nkofie ni biana. More social media, take your time. It is tribal. Take your time and analyze. Asantefo na yes on social media. They defend every nonsense at MPP or Ghana. They sit and they make it look like say Ghana against them. Ghana against Omo. The issue here is you are the people entertaining criminality in Ghana. You are the people entertaining fools. You are the people enabling this foolish party to destroy the forest of this nation. That is a fact. Inti mumwa santifoni bina modwe se obini mu wontokwa obi time inti meme yanka Ghana asem meme yanka MPP asem no mo na mo ye mo own problem. Nobody hates you. Me hu Ghana ni amimbusa be bia ofri o. Every new Ghanaian I meet in my life, I don't ask you so ye DNA. I don't need it. Me, I don't need that. Along the way now catch them say bia we DNA we nia fine. But that is not my priority. Because at the end of the day, tribal we no enye bibia mame. Enyan said that how you can express yourself, how you can contribute to our friendship. And no hear me. It is not about where you are from. Me hu fantini to say me awe Jimmy. Me hu awuneni to say me awe Jimmy. Me hu asantini onim nyansa. The same way me hu asantini Jimmy for. Me hu awuneni nyansa for. E hu fantini nyansa. So I don't fucking care about baby awu free or Ghana. So some of you Mumudu do munjai sa nkwasi ade no mo na mama MPP say Ghana. It's a fact. Omuntumi nkanchira me meka kire mo. Sa nyoma na ama Ghana MPP say Ghana. A majority of one santifo ni bi. Mo na mo say Ghana. Mo kra mo tiabroche, mo kra na mo asem ne mobo. Because mumudu do na mo fi nkurase ayeye galamsey ho. Majority of mo bloggers am tiabroche, mumudu do na mo fi nkurase.
Yo, etifo when ensemo ye KT and Taylor or the Tujaring na ye Hopeson Adorye ni semo de Tuja Hopeson chese ye Taylor babonti ADD na tem no be reply na Kevin so esa kan video no so ababonti abeyi na no de ensemble go na atuja because GC news so and our head no so we can subscribe ya omodi say we be subscribe it's answer hadie latest and hot news in kwana me de bremo Afriyie na wa like video na my na fi share ma ofofo so now when you be here now and some echoes. Also betting actually about the fire and so we now will comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.